Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix random applications are opening from pressing any key Windows 11, 10. First method is click Start, Settings, click Troubleshoot, click Other Troubleshooters. Click Run under Keyboard. Second method is click Start, Settings, click Accessibility, click Keyboard. Turn off sticky, filter and toggle keys. Third method is type Edit Power Plan in Windows search bar, click Edit Power Plan. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.